Today I have for you a little mindfulness exercise about love and gratitude. While it's important that we express our love and gratitude directly to others, taking some time to be reminded of these things can really help to put us in a good headspace. Once you complete this mindfulness, don't forget to share this love and gratitude with those you thought of today. I'd like for you to take a moment to get yourself comfortable. Close your eyes or lower them to the ground. And now take a moment to focus on your breathing. Feel the air coming into your lungs and going back out. Let your body relax. Now take a moment to think about those you love and those whom you're grateful for. Think about what you love and are grateful for with each of these people. And then take a moment to send out that love and gratitude to them in your mind. Once you're done, slowly reopen your eyes. And remember to carry all that love and gratitude with you and to share it with those you thought of today.